In this video, how to update the BIOS on a HP laptop. First, search for MS Info 32 and open the System Information app. From here, you can find your system model, BIOS version, and its release date. You can also check this using PowerShell. Let's right-click on the Windows Start icon and open PowerShell as administrator. Run this command. In the output, we can see the BIOS version and the serial number of the laptop. Let's copy the serial number. Next, visit support.hp.com. Select Laptop Product Type. Enter your serial number into the search box. Select your operating system. You will see all available drivers and BIOS update files. Expand the BIOS and firmware category. Compare the version or release date. For example, I will download the latest version. Once that's done, open the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instruction to continue. Select a location to extract the file. For example, I will extract it to the Downloads folder. Finally, open the BIOS update file to update the BIOS. You will have three options. Select the Update option to update the BIOS on the computer. When updating your BIOS, it's recommended to use a stable power source, such as AC power or a UPS. If BitLocker is enabled, suspend its protection before updating the BIOS to prevent recovery key prompts. If possible, back up your current settings and data. Only update the BIOS if it's truly necessary. If your computer is working fine, you don't need to update the BIOS. Finally, do not interrupt post-flash reboots. Finally, click Reboot to restart the computer. If you change your mind, you have 15 seconds to cancel update. This might take some time, so please be patient. As you can see, the BIOS has been updated to the latest version. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.